Now let's just move on to the problems that are related with the construction and the division of the line segment. So let us suppose if we are starting with the very first question, it says draw a line segment of the length 7.6 centimeter, divided into the ratio 5:8 and measure the two parts. So let's just start the construction of the line segment of the measure 7.6 centimeter. First of all, the very first step we have to take is nothing but with the help of the scale we have to draw a line segment 7.6 centimeter. So let us suppose if I'm drawing this line segment which is nothing but AB, which is 7.6 centimeter, and let us suppose if I'm writing the steps of construction related with it step by step. So the steps which are related with it is nothing but first draw a line segment, AB, which is nothing but is equal to 7.6 centimeter. So this is my very first step of construction, or the step which is related with it. Now let's just talk about the next step. The next step would be like we have to draw an arc A, not an arc, a ray. We have to draw a ray AX such that it forms an acute angle with the line AB, So the next is nothing but draw a ray. Let us suppose I'm calling it as AX, such that it will make an acute angle. It will make an acute angle with AB. So it is making an acute angle with AB, and I'm calling it as AX. Now further, the third step would be like we have to locate, that is 5 plus 8, which is nothing but 13. 5 plus 8, which is nothing but 13 points on the ray AX. That is nothing but, let us suppose I am using the help of the compass and marking an arcs over here, and I'm calling them as nothing but A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, for the A7, for the A8, for the A9, and further we have A10, and further we have A11, and further we have A12, and further we have A13. So as you can see, we have drawn the 13. We are going to draw the 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, and further we have 11, we have 12, and we have 13 equal arcs over here. Such that obviously we know that all these distances are equal to each other. So I'm not writing that part. I'm skipping that part. All these parts are definitely equal to each other. The next step involving this would be like we have to join the last point, that is nothing but A13 with B. So the fourth step would be like join BA13, and draw a line, because we know that we have the ratio as nothing but 5:8. So for the from the very first point A, we have to go till 5 points. We have to go till 5 points, means from A5, we have to draw a line which is nothing but parallel to this BA13. So join BA13 and draw a line from A5 parallel to BA13. So let us suppose if I'll measure this particular angle, what will be that angle? So using that measurement, I am drawing an angle on A5 and drawing a line which would be parallel to this one. So let us suppose if this is my angle, and then I'm drawing this particular line which would be coming out to be parallel to this one, such that this angle and this angle, they are equal to each other using the help of the compass. This angle and this angle would be equal to each other, and you know that how you can measure this particular angle and this particular angle. So this point is C, wherever it is intersecting, it is dividing the whole AB into the ratio 5:8. So join BA3, draw a line from A5 parallel to BA13 such that it will intersect AB at C. Hence Hence, AC is to CB is nothing but is equal to 5:8. It is nothing but is equal to 5:8. Now, it says that we have to measure the two parts. We have to measure the two parts. Now, using the help of the compass, you can measure the two parts. And the two parts, using the help of the compass, they are coming out to be 2.9 centimeter. And for the 4.7 centimeter. So, the whole is 2.9 centimeter and 4.7 centimeter. So, this is nothing but the answer for the very first question, number 1. And let's just see its justification as well, because it is always necessary to give a justification for such kind of a construction. So let us suppose if I'm providing the justification of it. So first of all, we can say that if we are justifying it, so we know that actually the point we can say A5, we can say A5C is parallel to A13B. So if it is parallel to this, it implies that by basic proportionality theorem, their ratios will be equal to each other. So it means AA5 divided by A5 A13 should be equal to AC by CB, and we know that by construction AA5 by A5 A13 is 5/8. So if it is 5/8, it implies that AC by CB is nothing but 5/8 in ratio, and hence this is nothing but the answer, because we know that they are equal to each other. So they are dividing both of or the C point is dividing AB into the ratio 5:8. So this is the question number 1, which is related with the construction of a line segment in which we have to divide it into a particular ratio.